MD&A's remote monitoring and predictive maintenance program is designed to help power producers stay ahead of equipment issues, not just react to them. Leveraging continuous live data collection with advanced analytics, we deliver early warnings and actionable insights that empower your team to make informed decisions. Here's a real-world example. Recently, our remote monitoring center detected early signs of bearing and vibration issues, well before any alarms were triggered at the plant. MD&A's RMC experts collaborated with our vibration specialists to review recent data and confirm the risk. Thanks to these proactive insights, the customer was alerted in advance. MD&A's bearing shop was fully prepared, and the outage stayed on schedule, avoiding costly delays and unplanned downtime. With MD&A's specialized divisions and engineering expertise, our wide range of subject matter experts can provide analysis and recommendations to address any issue across many OEMs on any gas turbines, steam turbines, and generators. Our Monitoring and Diagnostic Center delivers a robust, multi-layered cybersecurity framework that safeguards assets and ensures compliance with industry standards. Designed to enhance plant reliability and efficiency, this service provides comprehensive support that helps operators stay ahead of potential issues, optimize performance, and extend asset life.